Hi guys, and today we're going to be making flapjacks. And to start with, we're going to start off with a plain flapjack, which is basically just oats, sugar and butter and a little bit of golden syrup. There we go. And guys, all you need for this recipe is a baking tin, paper, beater and a bowl, and obviously your ingredients. And next stage, you're going to put all your ingredients, dry ones, into the bowl. Like so. There you go. Then your butter is going to go into the microwave to be melted down. Right guys, next stage, there's your melted down butter. Add in a little bit of golden syrup. There you go. Give that a stir around. This is a very, very easy method of making flapjacks. Into the bowl. There you go. Literally speaking, use your hand with the whisk, with the beater, sorry. Mix it round gradually with your hand like this. That's to get all the loose stuff off the bottom, like that. And then we'll pop it onto a machine for a few minutes. Mix it in the bowl and actually on the machine. Right, we'll start it off on first speed. It's just easier doing it by machine than by hand. And that's it. And now we'll tin it up. Right, we'll tin it up now. Again, get your hand in the bowl with a scraper. Scrape it all out, like that. Don't worry about the scraper. You can have to stay. Spread it out. And if you want to make it even flatter, literally dip your hands in water and just press it down. Like that. Simple as that, guys. And that is it. All you have to do now is bake that. Hi guys, and the next stage is baking the flapjacks. And oven temperature is around about 375 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. But be careful with the plain flapjack, because obviously, because it's a little bit lighter and there's not much fruit and stuff in it, there's no fruit or anything in it, it will take a little bit quicker to do. All depends how you like it, because some people might like them a little bit white, so they're just barely baked. They like them all nice and sticky and gooey, or like the traditional one is like hard, a little bit hard on top, hard in the bottom, and in the middle just nice and soft. And well, we'll bake them off now. Load up the oven. We'll see you in a bit when they're baked. Right guys, I think the flapjacks are ready. There are guys, all out and baked. Right guys, next stage is to cut up the plain flapjack. Take that tray. First thing we do, chop off the edges. Mark them up. Like that, crispy, just cut. It does pay to have a really good sharp knife. And that's your plain flapjack. Nice and dewy on the bottom. And that nice and centre is lovely and soft.